This will be the only video you will ever need for trading binary options successfully. Today I will share with you the best price action techniques for profitable binary options trading where you can get a hit rate of over 70%. You hear me right, 70%, and we delete all bullshit indicators out of the chart. This is unnecessary. These indicators are lagging. I deleted the RSI here, for example. We don't need this. We only need the plain chart here for trading. And now I will explain to you step by step how the market really works and how you will find the best setups for trading. Right here, right now, I'm seeing a beautiful setup, but you will see it also if you watch this video today to the end. Let's get started here. And what's really important, I made here some graphics for you to explain it. If you start trading binary options, it's super important that you know these candles and that you know if we have a red candle like this here, the price drops. Keep that in mind. If we have a green candle like this here, the price is rising, or the price rised above. Because the most traders, they forget this fact, or forgot this fact, that we have these candles and that the price is the most important factors of trading at all time. They stuff their charts full of indicators or some news bullshit, signal bullshit, something else, and they forgot this, that if we have a green candle, the price goes up. If we have a red candle, the price goes down. And the price is the most important factor we are using in price action trading with binary options. So here you see two typical setups I'm using for trading, two candlestick setups for price action. This candlestick here, it's a wick or shooting star, how's it called? I don't care. You see this wick here, important, you see this wick here, or shadow. That means the price go up and goes down, and we see this here, it goes down and goes up. This is a reversal, and you can see it in the candlestick chart. With this one small candle, you see this is a reversal. It's a reversal pattern, or it can also be seen in continuation. We will see this later in the chart. So this is my first setup candlestick. If we see this, it's a very nice candlestick with the wicks. We can trade it. For example, the reversal, we would go short here after this candle, and we would go long here after this green candle. So the price goes down, up, and we go within it. I will show you real examples on the chart later, but first get the theoretic part right. The second thing is here, the next setup is here. You see this rising candle and we have a color change. Please check out the color change in the market. It's super important. And if we have, for example, the market comes from down here, makes this correction and makes the color change here, we go in directly with the next candle here into the trend. And if we are trading with the trend, we're just waiting for a color change and go in here. The opposite would be below here. If we trading this example here, the market comes from below here, makes a pullback, maximum 3 candles. I said to you, maximum 3 candles with a pullback, and then we searching for our setup and go long with the trend. Super easy to understand. Other way around, it could be that we have here an uptrend, so the market comes from below here, we have the color change, red candle, and now we make a green candle, then we trade long. Okay, we need these color changes, and the opposite would be if we go short. So if the market comes from here, it goes short, we have the color change and we go short with the next candle. If it becomes a red candle, we go short here. So there would we do our setup. So these are the most important setups. I'm using nothing else. Simple setups. You should understand these two candle types, the wick, the shooting star, whatever it's called, I don't care, and the color change. So basically it's the same. It shows you a reversal, this one also. So the next one is to understand the trend. If we have a trend, You need to understand it. This is a theoretical example. What would you say? Are we short or long? Yeah, we are short, and very pay attention to the falling highs. If we are in a downtrend, we pay only attention of the falling highs, and we see it goes lower, lower, lower. That means the market price is pushing down. We don't care about the lows so much. If the market does a new low, it's not that important that the falling highs. So keep in mind, the next thing is here. We have an uptrend, and we are watching the rising highs here. Sorry, the rising lows. I'm sorry. The rising lows we are watching, we don't pay so much attention around the rising highs here. This is important. So the market has the pressure up. And if we have this, we trade in this direction, sure. And the next thing is, if we have a range, we have a range like this. You can also go to binaryoptions.com, to our strategy page here. I will link it to you in the description below. Check this out. If we have a range and the market makes a false breakout above the support and resistance line, we go in and trade this one, because most of the time it makes a pullback, and we can trade this with binary options with 1 or 2 candles. Super easy to do. We need only 1 or 2 candles to make profit, and if we have this setup like this here, candlestick setup, we go in definitely. This would be 90 out of 100. You will be right, because the market likes to do this fake breakouts, and if it's a real breakout, you don't see these fakes. You don't see these fakes here. If you see them, you can trade them easily with this strategy. So this is the theoretical part behind my price action trading, my binary trading success here, which I show on the channel. This is all behind it, and you need nothing else. You need to understand how the market is moving. You understand it with this part here. If we are in a trend, if we are not in a trend, a range, you should see easily a range in the market. I think every beginner can see a range, and then you're using these patterns, and you are very good to go. So let's hop to the charts, and I will show you what I mean. So here directly we have an example. We're using the 1 minute chart. I recommend you to use the 1 minute chart here, for example, on Pocket Option. Link will be down below in the description. There you also can get a free promo code on Pocket Option, where you get a free deposit bonus with our link. Always special things in the description below with our partner link. It's our partner broker. And yeah, here you can get a high return of 92%. So you don't need such a high hit rate to make profit here. But what I'm seeing here, this is a range. This is a clear range. The market comes from down below, from above here. Yeah, you see it from above here. And now you see these candles. I told you maximum 3 candles against you to use this color change setup. These are all color change setups here. To going short, you would make so much money if you trade just a trend with these color changes. You see this, but now I will do focus on the range here. Now the market does a turn. Strong candles. Yeah, always watch the candle size and what the market is doing. This is important. You see it. Strong move against. We are going back in a range. This is a range. The market is ranging now after the trend, after it came from above. And now you see the setup, guys. You see the setup which I talked about in our trading strategy here. You just need to wait for it. You see it there. Here, the high. What is happening here, guys? You see it. What is happening here? Here we have the wick. In this candle, I would definitely go short right after this candle. The next candle would be green. I would make a loss. Then I would wait and see the next candles. Okay, I would go in here definitely. Maybe make double up the money to recover the loss, and you could go short here. Super easily. Then you see a color change. Green, red. You could go in here and trade this candle. Here it's a little bit difficult because we are going against this low. So always keep in mind lows and highs, super important. And here you see the break. This is your super setup to make money. This is your super setup. Here below we are now breaking down. We are checking out the OTC chart. This is not the best option. You should go on the real charts and when the market is open. But right now it's Saturday and we are making this tutorial for you. But the movements are the same. And you see here below we break this one. And maybe we can do a trade here. We can do a live trade here. I want to go 1 minute. We set up $1,000. And let's go. Let's go. I'm in here. I'm betting the next candle will be green. We will see this if it works out. Here from the low, the fake breakout setup doesn't have to work because we are this looks down, but we can bet on it. I told you if we break a low or a high, it often makes a reversal candle, and you see this. So this one, yeah, come on, become green. Seven seconds left. Okay, looking like we lost this trade. It goes lower, but let's wait here. What's happening? Strong market pressure. Yeah, this breaks out this range. This can happen. Then you have your fail trade. It's possible. Then you have your fail trade. Strong pressure, but let's wait. What's happening here? Yeah, it definitely goes lower. But anyways, here this setup would be our win. And let's go back straight to the trend and watch out here. If we have this trend, a good trend, it goes down. You see this? You have 10 candles in a row, it goes down. So now comes the color change. Here, after this candle, I would go in. Color change. Here we have a smaller color change. You could trade this candle, but be careful. Here's a wick. You could go in here, loss trade. Then you see after this color change, you would trade this candle, win trade. You would trade this candle, win trade. You would trade this candle, not good. Here you could go and go also in. So this is what I like to trade it, and this is a profitable trading strategy. You don't win every trade like 90%, but you make a hit rate around 70-60%. That's enough to make money with binary trading. And this is a color change. So the market, okay, we have OTC. Normally I don't trade OTC because these are algorithmic charts and you never know what's happening here. It's not the best, but you clearly can see these patterns here. And if we are in this range market like this here, this is rangy. It's super hard to trade, and I would only trade the fake outs, like fake outs here go short, here go short, again it goes higher, we have higher lows, breaks out, comes back, and we are in a bigger range, goes up, here another fake, not so, here it breaks, and then you could go short. Yeah, that's how I would trade it. Let's go back. Okay, the market comes back, but no setup for me. This is too late, it's too down, it's too late. Maybe we get a color change and I trade down. I mean, I would short this thing here. Let's keep watching this chart. Let's keep watching this, but let's go back to another example, how I would trade here. So this is an uptrend, clearly uptrend. You see, I'm aiming for the strong movements, strong. Now I have the volatility and I want to trade. Color change, go in with this candle, profit. Go in with this candle here, this wick candle, profit, color change. Okay, comes down, comes down, comes down, color change, lost trade. Again, I try, win trade. Color change, win trade. Comes back, try it, lost trade. Try it here, lost trade. Go again here, win, win. Here, win. So you see, if the trade is intact, you have 70% win rate. And this is how I would trade this setup here. This important setup. Here, very important. And this is the best for the range trading, for the fake out. Let's go back. What's happening here? It goes down. It goes down. Let me go in. Okay, I'm too late here, definitely. I fucked really up. I fucked badly up. I fucked really badly up. Oh my gosh. 2000. This is $2,000 trade. I fucked so badly up because I'm talking here always. But let's get me right this one. Let's wait till we have a setup. Finally a setup here. A good setup. This was a bad trade. This was against my rules. This was too late. And I wouldn't go in here. Very bad trade. Maybe we are lucky and we win this one. Maybe we are lucky today. 10 seconds. Yeah, come on, come on. Are we lucky? Yeah, oh, we are so lucky. Guys, we are so lucky. Phew. This was bad. This was bad because, I tell you, the trade should happen after this candle. This would be a profit trade because the market starts to trade lower. Even if the candle is green, you would win this trade. And I fucked it up because I didn't go after the finish of this candle in. Because I'm always talking here in this tutorial video and checked out the charts and so on. This would be the trade. And we got in here after this doji or something here. And we're so lucky that we won this one. But today, big time, we are so lucky. Now you could go in here with this trade. I didn't go in because it was too much pressure on me. This was your trade here. This was the real trade after the setup. We have a green, red, color change, red one, we go in. This was, but you see it in live, it works. If you don't fuck up like me and you see it works, here color change and we go in. So this is real trading, guys. This is real trading. If you talk and talk and talk, you can make mistakes. So it's not that easy for me to trade here, like if I don't make a video. But you see what I mean. Here also we see a range and you can trade this. If we break here, go short. Go short. That's simple. You just need to wait for this setup here to appear. You just need to wait till the fucking market makes a new high or a new low and breaks it. Super easy to see. Let's make another chart. Euro, Japanese yen. It's a good opportunity always. Here you see it. It breaks through mid momentum. You don't have an opportunity to trade here. Very strong move right now. Wouldn't go against it. But if you see here, it comes from down, high below. Okay. Here are a lot of opportunities to short, guys. This is our setup. Here. This is this one exactly. This one exactly. You see it. Goes down. Color change, you go in. 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 Here would maybe a wrong trade. You would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins and 1 loss in this period of time. This is 1 hour trading. You would have four good chances to make profit with one loss. Here you make the money with the trend. So I'm not talking bullshit here. This is how you can read the market, and it's super simple to do because the most trader forget it how to do it, and they make loss trades, so it's their fault. And yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. This was my opportunity to trade. If you want to learn more, just visit binaryoptions.com. I will put up the link in the description below. Check this out. You can check some more strategies on our website. See you in the next video. Goodbye.